Hi everyone, it's Zoe from the Scratch team, also known as Zinnia. Today I wanted to show you how to use a really helpful feature in Scratch, the backpack. Now, what is the backpack? The backpack lets you transport things from one Scratch project to another. So if you have a character you want to use in multiple projects, the backpack is great for that. You can also transport sounds, pieces of art, and also pieces of code. I'll show you how to use it. So, say you want to transport a sprite from one project to another. Let's say I'm making this new ocean project, and in this other project I made, I have this rainbow star sprite, and I want to put that in the ocean project. I can transport it with the backpack. The backpack lives down here, and I can click on it to open it up, then click and drag the star into the backpack. It'll appear there. And then go back to my ocean project. I can click to open up the backpack in there, and then I can click and drag the star into the sprite area here, and there you go. Now I have the star in my ocean project. You can also transport a sound. So say I have a sound in this project. I can go to the Sounds tab. There's the sound. I can click to open up the backpack, and then drag the sound into it. Go back to my ocean project, open the backpack, and drag the sound, and the sprite that my mouse is over is the sprite that it'll go to. And I think I want to give it to Giga. So I drop it on Giga, and then go to the Sounds tab, and there it is. You can also transport just one piece of code. So say I have this project with a frog that jumps, and I don't want the frog, but I just want to give this piece of jump code to this character, Giga. I can open up the backpack, click and drag this piece of code right in there. As you see, it shows up as a script, and I can then go back to my ocean project, open the backpack, and then just click and drag this code to this code area. And now, Giga can jump. You can also transport just one costume of a certain sprite. So say I have this other project, and I don't want to take the whole Giga sprite over, but I do want this costume where Giga has a nice hat. What I can do is go to the Costumes tab, open up the backpack, and I can click and drag that in there. As you see, it appears as a costume and not a sprite like the star did. I can then go back to my ocean project. I can open the backpack in here. Whatever sprite I drag it to will get the costume, just like with the sound. And I want it to go to Giga, so I'll drag it to Giga, and now Giga has a hat. You can also transport a backdrop. So if I wanted this blue sky backdrop, I could go to the stage, go to the Backdrops tab, open up the backpack, put this backdrop inside, go back to my ocean project, open up the backpack, and drag this backdrop to here. You can also use the backpack to transport things from other people's projects. When you do this, it becomes really important to give credit, and I'll show you how to do that. So let's say someone has made a project with this spinning pufferfish, and I'd like to use the pufferfish in my project. I can click See Inside on their project, open up the backpack, click and drag the pufferfish in, open up the backpack in my project, drag the pufferfish into this area, and there it is. Now, to give credit, I can click See Project Page, and I can edit the notes and credits of my project and say, thanks, Zoetrope, for the pufferfish. I got it from this project. And I will copy the link by right-clicking and clicking copy. You can also do Command-C on a Mac or Control-C on a PC, and then paste it here by right-clicking and clicking paste. And there you go. Now you've given credit. The ability to remix and to build on the things other people have made has been a really important part of Scratch since it started. I think it's part of what's so wonderful about having an online community is that you can build on other people's creations. It just is really important to give credit when you do and to make sure you change something or add something to it to make your project unique from theirs. Anyway, that's what I wanted to show you today. The backpack can be so useful. It can be great for collaborating. It's great for if you have a logo or a character that you want to use in a lot of your projects. So I hope you'll have fun trying it out. Anyway, I'll see you next time, and Scratch on!